Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, verify the Directx 3.0 installer and checksum and back up any config files. Run the installer as administrator and accept elevated prompts. This prevents permission errors. If prompted, choose custom components to include legacy libraries. Once done, close all games and applications so files can overwrite cleanly, and make sure your GPU drivers are current and 16-bit color support is enabled to match legacy Directx requirements. You proceed to the core. Install the core DLLs and runtime packages included with Directx 3.0 and run DX setup if provided. After installation, register essential libraries using regsver32 so the system can locate them. Set your application search paths to the new Directx folders to avoid DLL conflicts. Once registered, open the target application and adjust renderer and color depth settings to match Directx 3.0 expectations, which prevents rendering errors caused by modern defaults. You finish by rebooting and testing the target application immediately, monitor for errors, and collect any crash logs. If the app fails, switch to compatibility mode and reduce color depth, because many issues stem from modern GPU behavior versus legacy Directx assumptions. Make sure to use your backup or a system restore point if problems persist, and selectively reinstall or replace specific DLLs rather than repeating the full install. This isolates faults and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.